Yan guys, magugulay tayo while watching TV. So, ayan. Tayo. So, ayan guys, welcome to my vlog again. So, for today's video, ayan, mag-peel off tayo ng bamboo roots. So, ayan, and to show how I can slice this one, how to slice into thin parts. So, ayan guys, so, ang bagal kong gumalaw. So, ayan, ang bagal kong magtatanggal ng balat niyan. Kasi, if you are living in the province area, this bamboo roots is free. No need to buy to the supermarket. But, if you are living in the city, you buy this one in the supermarket. So, even though this is only bamboo roots, but it is so expensive to buy. So, ayan. Favorite namin to guys. This is, and also me, this is my favorite vegetables. I put it, I mix the green leaves and then make the, what do you call this? Green leaves, and I put the grilled fish. That is very nice for this. So, ayan. So, yung video natin, my video is a little bit blurry because we are against the light. So, that's why. Because I was watching I was watching the TV on that time while I peel off this bamboo roots. So, yan guys, pagpatuloy ko na lang yung aking pagbabalat ng ng labong. As in, we call here labong. Bamboo roots, labong. So, ayan. And also, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to click the bell buttons. So, to my new viewers also, don't forget to subscribe to. Ay, doble-doble na talaga yung salita, yung ating sinasabi. So, yan nga, ito, pagpatuloy ko na yung aking ginagawa. So,